In this video, I'm going to show you how you can book meetings with your leads directly from Heyreach Unibox. So let's get started. So once you're in the Unibox, just click on the lead that you would like to book a meeting with, that maybe have replied to you. And what you will do then, you will see a Weezly icon here. So simply click on this icon and a lot of Weezly options will open up. And there are two ways to actually book a meeting. One is to actually send a link where people can book a meeting based on your availability, and the other one is where you can propose time for a meeting. So let's start with the first one. The booking page. Basically what you can do is just click one of the booking pages that you created on Weezly, click on this, and the link will be then inserted, and then you can just hit send. And when this lead clicks on this link, it will look actually like this. So they will be able to come to your booking page and directly book a meeting with you based on your availability. And the other option we have is, if you click on the Weezly icon, is actually to propose time for a meeting. So Weezly will open up directly in Heyreach, and what you can do then, you just click on the few times where you would like to propose for a meeting with this lead, hit create, and now a link has been created, and you can just hit send. And when the lead actually clicks on this link, they will come to this page like this, and they will be able to click on one of the times you actually proposed for a meeting. And that is very, very cool. So that is how quickly and efficient you're actually booking meetings with your leads directly from Heyreach Unibox. Pretty awesome, right? All right, thank you for listening, and good luck booking meetings with your leads through Heyreach. Thank you.